The Jewellery Laser Welding Machine for gold and silver. YAG Laser Spot. Soldering Machine, a revolutionary piece of technology designed to enhance the precision and efficiency of your jewelry making process. This state-of-the-art machine utilizes Yttrium Aluminum Garnet YAG laser technology to deliver pinpoint accuracy and superior performance, making it an indispensable tool for professional jewelers and hobbyists alike. The YAG laser spot soldering machine is specifically engineered to weld and solder gold and silver materials with unparalleled precision. The laser beam's high energy density ensures a focused heat application, which minimizes the risk of damage to delicate and intricate designs. This precision allows for seamless repairs and the creation of flawless, intricate patterns that would be challenging to achieve with traditional soldering methods. One of the standout features of this machine is its user-friendly interface and customizable.